What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to Making the Dean's List. It is the 24th, is that right? 24th day of the month. Sorry for bouncing around there. 24th day of the month. So we'll pick a fairly early verse, one that I need to be listening to, needs to be resonating in my mind and heart right now, which is verse 5. A wise man is strong. Goes on to say that a man of understanding adds strength. So, man or woman, we just, as we age, let's be physically strong. We've got to take care of ourselves to be able to take care of the rest of the people in our lives. So let's put a good thought in our mind today about part of our responsibility at work is just to be healthy for our teammates. All right, hope this helps. Hope it gets you in the gym. Hope it gets you doing some push-ups, sit-ups, something to keep you active. Maybe some Tai Chi, as I've been doing for some time. All right, have a blessed day, a blessed week. Getting towards the end of the month. Got a week left. Let's finish the month strong.